theorems related to tangent of a circle. Today I am going to explain the chapter theorems related to tangent of a circle. Here we are going through two terms, that is tangent and another one is circle. Then what is circle? You all know what is circle, and I have taken three circles. Circle. These are approximately circle because I have drawn it by freehand. Therefore, it is not exact circle. Almost these are circle. I am taking straight line this one is a straight line, this one is another straight line, and this one is another straight line. I have taken three circles and three straight lines. In this case, straight line is outside the circle. Here, straight line intersect the circle at one point, considering the point is A. And here, straight line intersects the circle at 2 points, considering the point are P and Q. This straight line, where the straight line intersects the circle only at one point, then the straight line is called tangent of the circle. But the straight line intersects the circle more than one point, that is at 2 points, then the straight line is called the secant of the circle. Here the straight line is secant of the circle and PQ is the corresponding chord of the secant of the circle. Here the point A is the point of contact. Suppose the straight line L is tangent and A is the point of contact. Now I am going through a theorem. If for any circle here theorem states that for any circle the the radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Here I am taking O is the center of the circle and OP is the radius of the circle and AB is the tangent. Given condition. Given conditions. What are the given conditions? OP is the radius of the circle. And AB is the tangent of the circle and P is the point of contact. P is the point of contact. Here I am taking any point R other than the point P, then joining OR. Here to prove that is OP perpendicular to AB. OP perpendicular to AB. Now construction. Here I am joining O and R. Now I am going to the proof part. As R is any point on the tangent AB other than P. Therefore, R lies outside the circle. As AB is the tangent, therefore R lies outside the circle. Then OR intersect the circle at the point Q. Taking the point Q, OR intersect the circle at Q. Therefore, OQ is less than OR, as OQ is a part of OR. Then OP is also, therefore OP is also less than OR, because OP is equal to OQ, radii of the same circle. As OP equal to OQ, therefore we can replace OQ by OP. That is, OP is also less than OR. That means I have any point, if we join any point on from the center O to the tangent, that is greater than OP. Therefore, OP is the shortest distance from O to the tangent AB. Hence, as OP is the shortest distance, hence OP is perpendicular to AB. As we know that perpendicular distance is the shortest distance from any point to the straight line. Hence, this is the proved. Then go through the application of the first exercise. In the next video, I will upload the next theorem of this chapter. Thank you everyone.